This is the unboxing of the Momentum 2's wireless black headphones by Sennheiser. This is this newest model, which they run about $4.99 right now. They just came out. I got the pair. A few things to point out is that they've got the noise guard hybrid, Bluetooth, and a 2-year warranty. So next, we're going to open them up and see what's in the box. There's a tight seal here on them. That would help. Great packaging, nice and dark. Looks very high-end, as what we pay. You can see the hand stitch, cross stitch in the case. It's a soft case, which kind of worries me because I like to put things in my backpack as I travel or in my luggage, which I beat it up pretty bad. But now let's take a look at inside the case. We've got our directions. EM2 EBT. Thick little packet. I'm sure it's got a lot of good information on how to best get the most out of them. Soft case has lanyards attached to the zipper with a nice plastic piece, which makes it easy to open. Opens quite smoothly. Real nice. Got headphones in a case, something similar to what you get on a pair of sunglasses, it feels like. Let's untie it, set that aside. Got our attached core, audio aux cord that we plug into them, which comes standard. We've got our USB charging, so we can charge headphones. And then we've got a adapter piece for an airplane, which is very handy, especially when you're traveling. I just still worry about this case. I'll probably get a hard case for it as I beat them up. So as soon as I take them off my head, I put them in something, I'm stuffing my luggage. And I'm worried about anything happening, especially something as high-end as these. What I get. So here's the piece. Got nice little grips on it. Plugs in well. And then we got our silica gel. Just throw away. Get rid of that. Let's take a look now at the actual headphones. Nice. They're actually really light. Lighter than the Momentum ones. They're a little bit heavier. The foam pieces are really nice. From what I understand, there's memory foam. Real light, conforms, comes back. One thing, though, that you notice, these are supposed to be the blacks, but the headband is brown. It's got some hand stitching on here. It's really nice. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. We got our adjustments. It's real smooth. This slides really smooth. We've got our controls. So we've got our volume up, volume down, and our power. And very nice looking pair of headphones. So that is the unboxing of the Sennheiser 2 Momentum's Bluetooth, which retail MSRP right now for about $4.99. So far they did a great job with the packaging. And the next phase is listening to it and giving you an update of how they sound.